Hello all Dancefarians! Today let's take a look at some of the brand new sea animals that we have just purchased. Check this out. This is a brand new grey whale. Yes, that we have just purchased from Collecte. It is actually a 2018 figure. I really love this because it has like plenty of details, plenty of like bumps. Can you guys please let me know down in the comment section, what are all these little bumps on its body? Are they like, parasites or something like that? Please let me know down below. Next up, let's take a look at another new penguin that we have just purchased. This is actually an emperor penguin with a penguin cheek just right in between the feet, and it looks so cute. You can see it is just like cuddling its mommy for warmth, I guess. Yeah, it looks really nice. I love this a lot. This is actually from let's see, this is from Peppo, a really beautiful one. Let's put the penguin right over there. And speaking of penguins, we have plenty of penguins in today's video. Are you guys able to name all the different types of penguins that we have over here? Okay, so this one right here is actually a South African penguin, and this one with a very cool hairstyle, it's actually a rock hopper penguin. And this one right here, it's either a king penguin or an emperor penguin. And this one right here, it should be a little penguin chick, but we are not too sure which breed or species of penguin it is actually from. So let's put all the penguins right over here. They look so adorable. Alright, let's move on. We have a whale shark. It is a filter figure. This is actually an old figure, so you guys should have seen this before many times. Let's see. Yes, we have just purchased this as well. This is actually a bull shark. A bull shark from Mojo. We just got this recently. It looks really good. I'm gonna put the sharks right here. And speaking of sharks, I think we have more sharks right underneath. But first, let's take a look at this. This is a brand new dolphin that we have just purchased. It is from Mojo. I think it is a bottlenose dolphin. So I'm gonna put all the dolphins together with the whales. Alright, let's move on. What do we have right here? We have a beautiful moray eel. Yes, these eels, they actually live in cracks and little holes, like deep down in the ocean. So that's really cool. I'm gonna put this right over here. Okay, this is a Sally Lightfoot crab, a really beautiful crab. And if you take a look at the entire body, you can see it has plenty of different colors. It has purple eyes, orange body, yellow body, red feet. It looks incredible. I think it looks really amazing. Next up, we have an octopus, a purple octopus. It looks really good as well. I'm gonna put it next to the crab. And here, I think this is also a new penguin that we have just purchased. Are you guys able to tell me what type of penguin this is? This is actually a Gen 2 penguin. Yes, I'm gonna put all the penguins together. A new figure that we have just purchased yesterday. It just arrived. Alright, next up, another penguin, and this is also a rock hopper penguin. If you take a look at that name written right at the back, you can see it is from Collecte. Looks really good. It will join the group of penguins right over here. Let's move on. A beautiful koi fish. Koi fish are amazing animals. They are able to live like 100 to even 200 years old. Next up, let's take a look at this. Another amazing sea animal which is able to fly. Okay, not exactly fly, but they're able to glide through the water, which is really amazing as well. Okay, oh, we have another penguin right here. What is this? This is a chin strap penguin. Looks amazing. It has this really trademark strap across the chin, so which is why it's known as a chin strap penguin. Amazing stuff. We have a blue tang right over here. As you guys know, they are able to adjust the color intensity of the blue, which is so cool. Frogfish, they are able to like walk on the seabed with their so-called legs. Yeah, they look incredible. Right. Next up, we have a sawfish right over here, which has a saw-like tool, which is used to catch its prey. We have a catfish, which is also another amazing sea animal. They are able to use their whiskers to find their way in the murky water. We have a blue shark. I don't have much facts about this, but you guys can see it looks super cool. The body feels like, really aerodynamic. I'm pretty sure that this shark is able to swim at really fast speed. Next up, we have another bull shark right over here. They are apparently more aggressive than great whites. And what do we have over here? We have a lemon shark. Yes, a lemon shark. You can see the body color is actually very different from what you can find from the blue shark or the great white shark. And speaking of blue, we have a blue crab right here. A beautiful Safari LTD 2010 crab. Amazing stuff. I love this. This is a dugong. It's not a manatee. I'm gonna show you guys what a manatee is. This is a manatee. So you guys can see there are like differences. The mouth for the manatee is actually like more roundish. This is like a flatter. And you can see the skin or texture of this is like more crumpled. This is like more maybe like smoother. I'm not too sure. Okay, so cool. Next up, another really amazing sea animal, which is the basking shark with a jaw wide open. Yes, wide open. It is able to take in all the water and filter out all the food particles. Pretty amazing sea animal. And this is a tiger shark. You can see the body stripes. It reminds of a tiger. Alright, salmon fish. I'm pretty sure that you guys have, tasted salmon. Yes, salmon are used a lot for food. That's right. Clown anemone fish. I don't really have much facts about this, except that I know that this fish is known as Nemo. Yes, Finding Nemo. How many of you guys have watched the movie? Nurse shark right over here. I've actually seen a nurse shark right in front of my eyes, but of course it was from a sea aquarium. But you can see it has two very distinctive. I'm not too sure what to call them. They're definitely not teeth, but yeah, they look like fangs. Cool stuff. Next up, we have a megamouth shark right over here, which looks amazing. They are pretty rare. They are hard to find. Okay. Next, we have a great white shark right over here. We have a lobster right here. We have a hermit crab. And what do we have over here? We have a sea turtle. A Cam's Ridley sea turtle. Looks really good. Alright, let's move on. We have more whales right over here. And this is a blue whale. Previously, we have seen the gray whale, but this is actually a blue whale. We have another whales right over here, which is kind of cool. Because it's known as a Blainville's big whale, and you can see it has two very distinctive notches right over here. I'm not too sure what to call them, like crest. What do you call this? Like little bombs? Yeah, they look so cool. Blainville's big whale. Starfish, pretty sure that you guys have heard of them, but maybe not seen them. Because I think I've seen starfish before, but I can't really remember. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. This is a nudie branch. To be really honest with you, I have never heard of this, and I've never seen one. Yeah, I should probably do more research on this, really cool sea animal known as nudie branch. Yeah, I need to find out this out. It looks like a sea slug to me. Oh, and not a penguin. Today's video is like dedicated to penguins. We have an African penguin right here, okay? Previously we have a South African penguin. This is an African penguin. This is not a dolphin. This is actually a beluga calf. Belugas are technically dolphins as well. Alright, what do we have here? Mink whale. I think the body looks very cool. You can see it has like different patterns right across the body. You can see like darker shade of gray at the top and lighter shade and even lighter shade at the bottom. Mink whale. We have this is a squid, reef squid right over here. You can see the tentacles and the body are like slightly translucent. Plenty of tentacles. The seahorse, they can basically use this long snout to actually feed on the food. Yeah. With a narrow, this really long spear or overgrown tooth looks very cool to me. Okay, what do we have here? Humpback whale. Okay, let's take a look at this fact card right over here. Humpbacks were once hunted extensively and they remain endangered. So do not buy any whale products, I guess. Yes, we have a sea lion. Yes, sea lion. And what is this? This is actually an Atlantic white-saddle dolphin. It has this really trademark and significant yellow stripe across the body. Okay, this one right here is critically endangered. This is known as a Vaquita porpoise. There are like less than 10 left in the world right now, probably even lesser. Yep, critically endangered. And we have another blue whale right over here. This is from Colorado. It came as a set with many different sea animals. And here we have a Ganges River Dolphin. Awesome stuff. So this is basically our 50 different sea animals. I want you guys to let me know down below which are your most favorite sea animals. For me, one of my most favorite sea animals is definitely the great white shark right over here. I also love dolphins. I also love beluga whales. What about you? Let me know down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.